Okie dokie, let's get the show on the road, then we can go and relax. Don't make me use the horn. Right, okay, so we still have 2 bottles of wine to give away, so we'll just give away those 2 to the 2 best thingies. So, rightio. Okay, biggest takeaways from Anonymous. Very impressed with Resi. Now have a better understanding. Great presentation. Nice one, Sebi. All subnet focals reinstating confidence going forwards. Cool.
Highlight of the day, seeing some faces I haven't seen in a while, getting to know about subnets, the faces behind them, and how they operate. We'll do research now that I've got an understanding.
This is a big one. The subnets are doing amazing things in BitTensor. A takeaway to many here are some expecting to be more bullish about the short-term growth of Tau. However, subnets are perhaps further away from revenue production, such that Tau growth / acceleration is further away than expected. Leaving less bullish than expected is the takeaway. Interesting. Let's park that there for a moment.
Not the positive end to the day you were looking for. You should have moderated these. What have I got? Bitcoin. Never buy Bitcoin. Austin. Yeehaw. Don't look at the charts. There is no second best. Buy Bitcoin. Don't buy Bitcoin. Mountains. Virgins. Space travel is going to be cheap. All humans are going to be displaced. Rank the miners. Smooth love potion.
That's a good roundup. Yeah. Who's that? Oh, Harry. You can't win the wine, Harry. You're part of the team.
Can't win the wine because he's under 18.
No, he's not.
He's not.
Is he a Thai 6-year-old? No.
Is he a Thai 6-year-old? I can't believe we've got that going out live,
I can't believe that was the top of your head, Gavin.
I mean, come
Jesus
on.
Christ.
You could be a 6-year-old in Thailand.
We're going to have to divest from Lead Poet now.
It's disgraceful.
Okay, another long one here. My key takeaway. This is quite disruptive. BitTensor will be a key player in disrupting industries and making tech more accessible to the common person. This is just the beginning. A little shameless plug. If you need a product manager, quality tester, or systems analyst, hit me up, Amara.
You make this seem more like a reading test than a roundup. Looks like you're really struggling with some of the longer words.
Look at the writing.
As someone who is all in on Root, it's great to get an insight into the project that I've believed and invested in. It's beautifully unfolding through the various subnets. Thank you. That's the positive end to the day you're looking for.
Yeah. Who's that? Right. No, I think I'd like to give a bottle of wine to the person leaving less bullish, because, we can't always be moon boys. And if someone has, said that they're less bullish, I'd love to have a chat and find out why. Anyone want to own up? Cool. Do you mind if you share more about that?
I'll try.
Okay, so first of all, do you prefer the Campo Viejo, I'm not very good, or the Chateauneuf de Pape?
I don't drink.
You don't drink? Okay.
Yeah, it's a feeling more than anything else, and it was like, what was the sentiment I was feeling in the room? It's incredibly exciting, and it's great to hear detail about the subnets from somebody that isn't technical. But my point was really around kind of the impact to the value of Tau in the short term. I'm just sensing kind of some of the conversations I had was like, okay, the value that is being built seems perhaps a little further away in its ability to impact the value of Tau in the short term, and everyone's got this big focus on the next 2 to 6 months. And so therefore it was like, is the short term as bullish as perhaps we want it to be or hope it to be? It's a feeling I'm more articulating in that piece of paper than something that I can factually say. So yeah, the thing is bullish as a whole, but I'm leaving today going, maybe the success of Tau is a little bit further away than the short term that many are perhaps hoping it is in the short term, if that makes sense.
I massively respect that. So yeah, we should always feel free, be able to share opinions, whether bullish or negative. So I can't argue with that. I mean, especially with the new SEC sort of operating company and investment fund differentiator. So at the moment, one of the big reasons that Bitcoin is crashing is because they're trying to get rid of all of the digital asset treasury companies out of the S&P 500 or in these indexes. And so it's been a knee-jerk reaction where all of a sudden Michael Saylor's strategy is in the spotlight. And if he gets deregistered from these indexes, that's going to create a bit of a cascading effect of selling Bitcoin. So I think a lot of the Bitcoin dumping is front running of that, and we don't get a full conclusion to that until I think the 15th of January. So if it's all good and that Saylor can prove he is an operating company and not an investment fund, then and he can stay in the S&P or the Nasdaq or the S&P 500 or whatever it is he's in, then watch Bitcoin absolutely blast. But if he gets deregistered and he's deemed an investment fund, I think that we could have some spill-off negative effects. We're really ending the day on a good note, aren't we?
Just to be clear, I'm not taking away from the actual massive potential that exists there, but in terms of today, it was like I've learned a shit ton at a level that normally I'm not accessing. So thank you to the Subnet owners, because you've really brought alive your projects. It doesn't take away from the opportunity you're creating.
Yeah.
It was just that short-term sentiment that I think the hopium that everyone is looking for, who is perhaps not a Subnet owner and is more looking to moon early 26.
My only takeaway from that or response is that although Tau may be stagnant over the next month or two, Subnet will not be. I can assure you there will be many subnets that will 2, 3, 7x from now over the next couple of months. So my only take is that you do need to be invested in subnets, because I think that tide is going to change and there's going to be a mini subnet summer. Finally, subnet summer will happen.